Here's a Japanese-inspired salad using some soba noodles and some salmon. First up, let's get our dressing done into a jar. I always like to just do this in a jar because it's much easier for it to combine. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. 2. Some sesame oil. And, you know, usually where we're told to be careful with sesame oil, don't add too much. But for this, I want a good kick of it. So in with about a tablespoon of sesame oil. Some sweetness, caster sugar, and some miso paste. This is white miso paste. I love the savoury flavour of miso paste, and I always have some in my fridge, not only for dressings like this, but it's a fantastic marinade, even as a base for a soup. So, next ingredient, some mirin, splash of mirin, and to bring it all together, some extra virgin olive oil. Okay, no salt required because we do have the miso in there and the soy sauce. Lid goes on and we want to give it a really good shake. Done. Gorgeous dressing. It's a really nice idea to double this recipe and you can keep the rest for another salad for another day. Okay, in this large bowl, we're going to add some veggies. You can change this up depending on what you like. I'm going to add some snow peas. Look how gorgeous and fresh these are. And I like to cut them on an angle just to show off the inside of them. See how gorgeous they are there with the little peas? So in they go. Usually we cook snow peas, but they're really nice raw. They're crunchy and they're super sweet. So we'll pop them in. If you can't get your hands on some snow peas, some good old green beans work, and also some spinach works a treat too with that miso dressing. Okay, I want a mild onion flavour, so some spring onions, just the light and white part of the spring onion, and I'll just cut them into 1 centimetre pieces. We want a good handful of the spring onions. That's about enough. Just collect all those and in with our snow peas. And edamame, another great ingredient you can find at your supermarkets now. They come in the freezer section and you just need to pod them and defrost them. They've got a nutty sweetness too, so we'll pop them in. And some soba noodles. Soba noodles in Japanese means buckwheat. They've also got a really nice nutty flavour to them. And you cook them just simply in some boiling water, 2 to 4 minutes, and then take them out, refresh them in some cold water so you stop the cooking process. Finally, our salmon. Canned salmon, it's a great addition to this dish. We're just going to remove any excess liquid. So I've got my sieve here and we'll just take it out of the can. I want to keep its shape, so you want to leave it to the last minute, shake it off, and just gently fold it through the salad. Great. Our dressing can go in. So a good drizzle. And using a fork and a spoon, we're going to gently toss this together without breaking up that salmon too much. Look at those beautiful colours. I can smell the sesame oil, the miso. Yum-oh. Looking good. Just plate this up, a generous portion into the centre of the plate, and we'll get all that yummy filling. Just scatter that over the top. And because I love this dressing that much, I'm just going to drizzle a little more dressing over the top because I love my dressing. And some sesame seeds, toasted sesame seeds to tie the whole thing together. What an elegant salad using pantry ingredients like good old salmon, some soba noodles, and a pop of freshness from veggies you have in the fridge.